After keeping mum since the San Antonio Spurs announced he was retiring, Tim Duncan is finally releasing his own statement. ESPN's Marc tweeted the one-page letter, which reads, "If asked to write a script for my career 19 years ago, there is no way I would have been able to dream up this journey." Duncan highlighted having his kids watch him work as the thing he will cherish the most. He ended, "Thank you to the city of San Antonio for the love and the support over these years. Thank you to the fans all over the world." Throughout his career, Duncan won 5 NBA championships and 2 MVP awards.